Can you believe it? November is already here. Typically, we should have seen our first snow of the season, but all eyes ahead and it is coming our way. Typically, this month ushers in some pretty big snowfalls across the Denver metro area. Plus, we start to get a taste of winter, even though it is technically still fall. Cold weather outbreaks certainly are a possibility throughout the month. And of course, ski season usually kicks off across Colorado's high country. It's always a race to see which ski resort will open first. And so far, it looks like Wolf Creek down across Durango. They were the first ones to open up in the state. Here is a snapshot of November, what you can typically expect on average. The daytime high and the overnight low, when you average them out, we typically get about 39 degrees. So yes, a bit more fall or winter-like conditions in the air. Precipitation, we don't see a ton throughout the month of November, about 0.6. It was an incredibly dry October, so we desperately need to see the moisture this month. Typically, we see a bit more snowfall, about 7.5 inches stacking up here in Denver. So let's talk about some extremes that we have seen. We got to go way back to 1949 when we had our warmest November on record. I just showed you the averages, and look at that, 50.9 degrees. That again is taking the daytime high and the overnight low and averaging out, so incredibly warm. We're actually just coming off the heels of the second warmest October on record here in Denver, so we'll see what Mother Nature brings our way. 22 degrees, that was the coldest November ever recorded here in Denver, and you gotta go a ways back, 1880. And again, we have been keeping these records since 1872. So here we go, top 7 warmest Novembers on record. Like I said, 1949 taking the cake, but fairly recently, back in 2021, we saw an average temperature of 46.3 degrees in that number 3 spot. So we'll see how this month fares. What about our top 7 wettest Novembers on record? Wow, more than 3 inches stacked up way back in 1946. And of course, the most recent one back in 2015, taking that number 4 spot in our top 7 wettest, with a little more than 2 inches of precipitation throughout the month. We're talking about snow. 'Tis the season, right? And our snowiest November that we ever saw was back in 1946. I wasn't around then, but 42.6 inches stacked up. Wow, can you even imagine? Not even Christmas time yet, and we're already looking at so much snow on the ground. Back in 1991, that was that number 1, or I should say number 2 spot at 29.6 inches. So our storm threats certainly change in the changing seasons. Of course, in the springtime, we're talking about hail, we're talking about lightning, but now our greatest threats will be for these big winter storms that race across the state. So that's going to be in that moderate category. Typically, we get some pretty chilly outbreaks that come our way, more likely, however, in January and February. Fog also an issue, and we could see some strong wind events as well. Looking at our 30-day outlook for the month of November here in Colorado, well, everywhere east of us, looking at a good possibility of warmer than average conditions. Much of the west, we could go either way, warmer or below average as far as the temperatures go. And what about our precipitation throughout the month of November? Certainly the bullseye will be across parts of the Pacific Northwest and also the Midwest for looking at wetter than average conditions, talking rain and talking snow. Drier than average conditions likely across much of the eastern seaboard, but here we are again in Colorado, kind of sandwiched in between that spot where we could see drier or wetter than average conditions. So we'll just have to wait and see how this month shakes out. I hope you have a wonderful month of November.